Hi everybody, it's me Mila Rose and I'm back today for another budgeting video. We're going to do some cash stuffing from our second paycheck for the month of June. And this is a good one. Got some good money to put away, so I'm excited about that. If you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, budgeting, paying off debt, all that fun stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I will see you all in just a little bit. Alright, so I have my little cheat sheet here, and the first thing we have to do is we have to pull out 55 bucks for, and I think I plan on taking that out of this one, so we won't do that one first. We will do $164 for debt, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I probably will end up having to make change, so yay. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 64. Okay, so 164 goes into debt. Let's see how much we've already got in there. 22. So we'll add to that. Oops. I'll put this in there. And I think I'll have the paycheck closeout for my first paycheck for the month left, and then that'll be it for the debt that I'll be able to, the additional funds towards my car note, which is the debt that I have to pay off. Next is hair, gets 25. I get my hair done in, I don't even know, like, oh, I do need change because I don't even have any. All right, let's trade out, because I know I have some of these that are gonna need to go. So there we go. And the 5. So I think I pulled out a 20. So 25. Like I was saying, I have a hair appointment coming up this month, so that's exciting. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 175. So this is going to give me 200. Yay! And I think that's all I need for the appointment, unless I go to Her Growing Hands, and they just moved to their new shop, and I'm super excited to go check it out. But I don't know if their prices changed or not, so I'll have to see. But this is how much it should cost. It should be with, I'm going to get a trim, and then I'm going to get a blowout flat iron trim, and all of that is 185, and then I tip 15, so it's 200 total. So 50, I think it's 185. Either way, like 200 is everything plus the cost and the tip. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 130, or 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 195, and 200. So that should be, I believe, everything. And I will probably just take that and deposit it into the account and then pay it off. So we're done with that one. And then we have school loans gets 25. And like I said, school loans are on pause, but I'm just adding 25 every time. And I'll just have this banked up for when I make a payment on it. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 175, 180, 185, 86, 87, 88, plus 20. So y'all get to watch me struggle to count again. And we get 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 195, 200, 205, 206, 207, 208, and another 5 is going to make 213. So that's a nice little amount to pay towards my student loans when I start paying them back. So that's exciting. All right. As I have mentioned before, they got me because I have to pay all my taxes this time. So I've been putting money away so that if I have to pay again, I already have some set aside. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. And then we put it 20 and 5. Great. All right. There we go. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 108. All right. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Yeah, okay. 108. So there's a little progress there. I'm trying to get up to 300, and then maybe I'll just put like 5 away. Because I strongly doubt I should have to pay more than that. I don't usually have to owe a lot, but we shall see. You never know, right, what that's going to come out to. We pulled out of our emergency envelope for clothes, so I owe myself $40 there. So I just keep 100 in all of my envelopes that I have in emergency envelopes. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, and 100. So now we're paid back for that. So now if I have any money left over for my envelopes, which I usually just take out of gas, but gas prices have been crazy. So I hadn't been able to do that, and I've been driving more because I've been working more outside of like the city and going places and things. So I just hadn't had the funds to do so, but now that's taken care of, so I don't have to worry about that one so much. And then we have 10 for laundry, and that should leave us with 55 left for business. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 5 for our business. So that's everything. All of my envelopes are stuffed and we're done. So that closes and finishes out my second paycheck for the month of June. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe for more. And thank you for watching. I will see you all later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.